Guys, welcome to today's episode of Hooked on Fishing. I'm gonna do some early fall pickerel fishing, changing it up a bit using my spinning rod, St. Croix's Triumph X. Oh boy. Right now I'm gonna be throwing this jerkbait got from my Mystery Tackle Box Pro. Put some bait stick on it. There goes that. Hopefully that doesn't ruin it. Okay. Now I'll catch you guys later when I have a fish. I finally got a pickerel. Sorry I didn't have enough time to turn on my camera, but here he is. Here he is. Let me just get the hook out really quick. Boom. Whew. Stop. Here he is. Say this guy's nice, 2 pounds. Slam my slam my swim bait. I'm gonna see if I can let this guy go without falling in the water and screwing. Alright. Oh, careful. And there he goes. Okay, guys. Oh, boy. Alright, guys, I have a pickerel on. Tighten my drag. Reel him in. Hopefully he's hooked good enough. Oh boy. Okay. Getting this in is going to be a problem. No! Stuck in the weeds. Let him run. Okay. Now that I've done that, okay, let him run, let him run, let him run. Need to let him run out of the weeds. Let him run out of the weeds. Come on. Dang it. I don't want to lose him. He's caught in the weeds. Balls. Okay. So this is what you get for trying to set up your camera all the time. If I can see where it's caught in the weeds. There's the fish. Ooh, this is a big one. I don't want to lose it. I gill him. Oh, no. Haha, I got him. Frick. Gill him. Okay. Oh, no. That's bad. Ow, frick. There you go. nice one. This is like freaking sweet. This is humongous. Oh yeah. 3 pounds, no doubt about it. Thanks. Alright, now time to let him go. I'm gonna let him go over here where I can actually get in the water. Right here. Big boy. Might take a while for him to... There he goes. Peace.